Let me continue file management and introduction. You can do a lot of things with files present in a computer. You can create them, name them, rename them, save them, delete them, and move them. You can do a lot of things with files present in computer. Let me show you practically.
Now, let us know practically how to create a folder. You can create a folder anywhere in a desktop or window. To create a folder, first right click on the mouse. See, I am doing the right click on the mouse. See, a list of options is appearing. Select new and click on folder. See, new folder is created. You can name the folder according to your preference. I am naming the folder. I am naming as DBA. After that I am pressing enter key. See, folder is named as DBA. You can also rename the file or folder. To rename the file or folder, again on the file or folder, right click on the mouse. I am doing the right click. See, a list of options is appearing. Now select rename and click on it. Now change the name according to your preference. I am changing as image. After that press enter key. See, folder name is changed as image. So in this way you can rename a file or folder. You can also delete a file or folder. To delete a file or folder, do right click on the mouse. First I am going to the folder. I am doing the right click on the mouse. Now select delete. Now press yes. Click on the yes. See, folder is deleted. So in this way you can delete the file or folder. You can also move the file or folder. To move, press or right click on the file or folder. Now select send to. Where you want to move, you can select the place. So in this way you can move the file or folder. Now let me explain again how to create a folder. To create a folder, right click on the mouse and select new. Select folder and click on it. See, new folder is created. You can name the folder according to your preference. Now I am naming the folder as class 3. See, name is changed. You can also rename the folder. To rename the folder, again right click on the mouse on the file or folder. I am doing the right click. Now select rename. Now change it according to your preference. Now I am changing as class 2. After that I am pressing enter key. See, file or folder name is changed. You can also delete the file or folder. To delete the file or folder, right click on the file or folder and select delete. Now click on yes. So in this way you can create, name, rename, delete, move the file or folder.
Sometimes our computer looks very messy, like this. It is very difficult to locate files from the mismanaged computer. With so many thousands of files stored inside the computer, it is very important to organize them so difficult to